channel. My name is Kellie and I'm the artist of Amore Resin Art. If you enjoy resin and learning something new, this is for you. I suggest that you subscribe and hit the bell down there. Alright, let's get started. So today we're going to be working on an ocean table. I've already preset and done the first layer, so we're just going to be doing the second layer. I've already mixed up my colours to use and my white. So today we're going to be using the Amore Resin Art Angel Lace colour, which is available on our website. I'm also using a tint, which will just make it so that we can see what colours are underneath, but just a white tint over the top. And then I've also got my clear resin. So let's get started. I've also got all my other utensils ready to go. I've got my heat gun, I've got my blowtorch, and I've got wipes. It's good to have everything ready to go and ready to start, just in case, because you know the resin that you're using, depending on what it is, you've only got a certain amount of time. So I'm using a 1:1 resin. It's a bit thicker, which I like to use for oceans. I also do use a 2:1, which we sell on our website, which is fantastic for oceans as well. I suggest you check it out. Alright, let's get started. So what I'm going to do first of all is with my clear, I'm just going to work out where I want my first layer to end. I'm just going to draw it out. Just like that. I want to keep that really thick. I don't want to thin it out too much because then it won't give you the same effect once you put the white through it. We're just going to move it around a little bit and just get it exactly where you want it. So from there we're going to put the tinted resin behind. We're just going to pour that over and just let it all seep out. I like to get in there with my hands and move it around. Everyone's different, it's up to you. Make sure you always have a good set of gloves on. So from here I've just moved it around, smoothed it around. Once I finish doing that, I just wipe my hands off clean so I can start my next colour. Any imperfections that you can see, just get them out now. Everything looks pretty good to me, so with my white I'm going to take and mix that around really, really well. White, if it's not mixed around perfectly, will go milky and it will completely ruin everything you've just done. So we just want to make sure that is completely mixed. Once we're happy with it, we're just going to put it at the edge of where your clear is. I like to use it with the actual stick. It gives me more of a precise line and you can add to it from there. Make sure it's on the outside of where you've put the clear. This will give you your best effect. Just from there, once you've done that and you're happy with the amount that you've got, you just want to take the white and just move around the edges, any little bits that clipped off. Just clean those edges up before I start. Okay, once we're happy with that, we take our heat gun.
out all the bubbles first before I start moving everything around. Move all the bubbles. Now we want to start pushing them up the wave like that.
And now we can bake. Over time the bubbles and the cells will come out more, so you might want to come back and check and just go over that with your torch just to make sure that you've popped all your bubbles. I'll just move you over so you can see that. Awesome. Well, thank you for joining me, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.